Today's amazing. It's our annual Leaders Leap fundraising program. This particular event is the first one for this year to actually go ahead, so we're really excited. The tally's sitting, I believe, the last time I checked it, over $39,000, and that has been raised by 13 local community members who own businesses who have put up their hand to take on this terrifying challenge. Mines Rescue coming on board about 4 years ago for us here on the region has just been great, because we all know mining is a very, very safety conscious industry. So knowing that our leapers are in the best safety hands possible is comforting to know, not just for us as a service but also for our leapers as well.
Go out there and have fun.
If you panic and let go, you'll stop. You'll have complete control over yourself, however you will have a safety line as well. Okay.
Spider-Man, mate, just out with the webs.
Yep.
Swing right out onto the parts.
We all get a bit of experience out of it because you're training people in a task that's quite high risk that don't know the task, so it allows us to practice our skills as well. Big part of it, but it's fun. Look at the day, it's a glorious day. Fundraising, yeah, making a lot of money for the Westpac Rescue Helicopter across it, but possibly even more so than that, just their exposure. The community seeing what they're there for and that sort of stuff.
Good luck, mate.
You'll say now, you've got to pull that out, remember?
Ready to go? Large, not medium.
Jeff. Congratulations, mate. You're not shaking as much now as you were.
Program. So this particular event is the first one for this year to actually go ahead, so we're really excited.
I have just descended gracefully.
You did?
As graceful as possible down 7 stories of the Crowne Plaza.
I think if it wasn't for those guys, the mine rescue guys, I wouldn't have done it.
Yeah, it felt very safe, yeah. Yeah, actually safer than I thought.